Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by gathering the essentials: ID, your card or bank routing plus account number, and the recipient details. Next, sign into the official postal payment portal, use a strong password, and enable 2FA so you can receive codes. Once logged in, locate the Pay Money or Money Orders/Payments section. This directs you to the correct online form. Make sure your browser is updated and not on public Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions or security flags. Now enter the precise payment details. Pick money order, bill pay, or specific fee and enter the dollar amount. Fill sender and recipient names, addresses, and any reference number exactly. Mismatches cause delays. Choose card or ACH. Note the fee and delivery time. Cards clear faster but may cost more. Once done, review every line, then click Preview or Continue. If prompted, confirm CVV/OTP and billing address to authorize the transaction securely. Finish by reviewing the confirmation screen carefully and saving the transaction ID or screenshot. This proves payment. You'll receive an email receipt and the portal entry will show status. Check for a tracking number if applicable. If the payment is pending, allow the stated processing time. If it fails, first check bank/card activity and retry only after verifying no duplicate charge. If things go wrong, contact postal support with your transaction ID and screenshots. This speeds resolution and helps reverse mistaken charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.